Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're opening up my toy from Christmas.
Wait, was it Christmas that year?
At 2020.
Yeah, Christmas 2020.
What?
So
It passed 2020.
yeah,
It's
It's
a gift from, who's you gonna say thanks to?
Ninong Billy.
Hey guys,
Thank you.
If he's watching this video, please subscribe.
oh, you all say that.
Yeah,
And
because-
also, I can
Ooh.
actually open it.
Okay, help Kuya.
so this is what it looks like on this box.
You want to borrow a knife?
Yeah.
Knife?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm
I
gonna-
need some knife.
Okay, I'm gonna help you guys.
And there's cars at the back of here.
Ooh.
There's cars at the back of here. And make sure. Yeah.
Make sure what?
Make sure to subscribe.
Oh, be careful with
and
that blue
put
light.
all notifications and like this video.
What is notifications?
So notifications. James,
Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
go, 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 go. Be careful, Papa.
Alright, thank you.
Of course, be careful.
Okay. Okay, I got it open. Finally.
Look at this in the secret box.
Okay, so
Look at this. It was in the
hey,
secret
you're
box.
blocking the instructions.
Kuya, it was.
So first things first.
This was a secret box and it was.
How much is this paper on it? Oh well.
You set that aside first, James. Set that aside first. You're having a hard time.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
I think I know. No, turn it this.
Okay. Okay. They don't have the color, so I don't know. Oh wait, I think I know. Here's the part of the elevator.
We can put the sticker later.
Yeah.
Stickers later. You have to build it first.
So here's the elevator, I guess.
So what's number one say?
Number one say. Can you help me? Whoa. I need 2 8.
Oh, look at these
Two
cars. Whoa, I can take out the cars.
Later.
Look, there's
Oh,
so many
look at
cars.
all those cars.
Well,
I can't find
look,
the
there's so many cars
Where's-
colored.
Where's
Like-
the 8?
Red, green, white,
There's so much yellow things. I can't.
white, green,
What?
white,
That's it. Screw this.
yellow,
Oh my god.
orange,
Screw this.
Don't say that.
orange and blue, and more orange, purple.
Are you having a hard time, man?
Just what I thought. Nothing.
What is it? Just said you read the instructions.
Oh my god.
What? Is it overwhelming to you?
I can't find the 8. There's no 8 in here.
You want me to help you?
Hey guys, watch this. So this is gonna be weird.
Is there more bags? Is there more bags? I can't
This
find.
one.
Give me that.
Give me that one.
Hey, watch this.
Give me the instructions. I have to read it. Nate?
Papa reads it.
Oh, I'm washing my face. Hey, Clea, look, I'm washing my face. See? Hey, Clea? Clea, see? Clea, see? Clea, see? Clea, see? Clea, look. I'm glad will you see?
A few moments later. Oh my god. How about I help you guys and then we do the filming later. How's that?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Say bye-bye for now.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Oh, baby.
There you go.
I got it.
We need another screw. This one's yellow. Oh.
How's it going, guys? Is it confusing?
Yeah, it's so confusing. I don't know how to explain.
The instructions confusing? It's alright, you're gonna make it.
I wish I have another screw like this.
Alright. Oh wow. Using a hammer, eh?
What instruction number are we on?
I think it's number 4 already.
Okay, number 4.
You got more
tools.
Real?
Wow.
And then
Oh.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yep, that's a black one.
Okay? I'll give you another. What? How many? 1 hour?
Yeah.
hey, look.
Okay. I'll be back in an hour.
Let's do this.
Hey, where's the 2 guys here? Where's the 2 boys? Nate? James, where are you guys? Oh my god. We're inside the box. Come on, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that.
I couldn't fit there.
How many hours? How many minutes did you build?
Yeah, we built this.
Almost an hour? Oh wow, look at that. You finally finished it. Okay, try your toys now.
No!
Don't.
It hit my head.
Okay.
Okay,
You can use the mice. So what is this? It's an Adventure Force
That is
Stands
very fast
2.4 feet tall, and it's
An idea. Okay, let's make a
not bad. Look at that.
Hey, watch this, Papa.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, Latin! Oh,
You better move out there. Come on. There you go.
I'm going to try to park this.
There you go. Woo!
Okay, screw this. I don't want to park. Only one park.
Okay.
I will do you.
Okay, Kuya's turn. Kuya. Nikki. I know. I mean, put your car on the top of the rump. Okay. There you go. Kuya's turn. What card are you using? Oh.
Listen, red is not my favorite color. So this is what he gets.
Okay. So what color do you want?
I guess he...
Want the red one? The sky blue one?
Oh, he gets it to your friends.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, Cleo, maybe a lot in the time. Oh, my... Oh! Got a land, triple dinner, chicken, linger.
Can you use the elevator? Can you show it to us?
Oh.
All I can see is your butt. There you go. Put it down. Oh, that's cool.
Let's make a
Oh!
lot. Maybe let's make a lot of
Didn't make it to the ground, man. There you go. Oh, again?
It's like someone pushing it.
You're so excited to go out.
This one, so
All right. All right. Going down. Going down.
Come on.
Finally. Landed.
I don't think it's going. It's stuck.
Is it stuck? There you go.
Okay. Okay.
Put it down. There you go.
Now it's done. Whee!
So you got the car wash in it on the ground floor.
I like car wash.
Yeah.
I like car wash. I just want to take a bath. Yay!
Woo!
Hey, Kaya, you might want to watch this.
And you know what? You can get some of your what do you call this, Hot Wheels.
Yeah, just like
You can use the Hot Wheels there too, right? Nate?
Oh! Oh, that was so fast.
don't see that. Nate, James, you can get some Hot Wheels too, right?
Hey, close your eyes.
Again?
Yeah, close your eyes. Hey!
Okay.
I see you. Come on, you ready? I want to go. Now go.
I can see you guys. Where's James? Oh, it's Nate. Oh my God. That's a big
Okay,
box.
my turn.
Oh, I think Nate is missing. Nate. I only see James. Where did he go? Where's Nate go?
I found him.
Oh, let's see.
Oh my God! James hit my weenie.
What?
Okay. Okay, my turn, and don't tell him.
Okay. Don't tell me that you're, hiding there.
Oh, that looks sick. That looks sick. Come on. Come on.
Nate, where's James?
I don't know.
Oh my God. James!
Is he on the...
You stop playing now?
Can I give you a hint for a second?
Okay, give me a hint, man.
He can smell your foot.
That's my foot. Oh. Probably he's inside the box. Can you smell my foot, Dale? Aha! James, it's my foot.
You know your foot. The foot is outside.
Oh, here you go. Smell it. Come on.
Okay, well,
Probably he's not inside.
he's actually inside.
Is he?
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh. Smell my foot, Jamesy. Come on.
I'm gonna soak him in there. Yeah.
Okay, you play now. Come on. Nate, don't hurt him, James. I mean, Nate. Oh, your names are confusing. Who's who, man? What's your name?
Close this box.
What's your name?
I know how to open them.
Oh. Salt bags? All right, guys. This is the. It's a nice building thing. I mean, it's like, they get an elevator. And it's a nice car parking. You can put your toys there. I mean, all the cars. You can store your cars there. The Hot Wheels and My Store or whatever
You haven't found
brand
James yet.
you have, or the Matchbox.
You haven't found James yet.
James, come out now. Did you like this toy?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Thank you, Ninong Billy.
All right.
If you're watching this. Yeah!
Oh, there you are, man.
Okay, can I
James.
Hey, Matt, give me a chainsaw. I will...
So how about next time? What are we gonna open? What are we gonna unbox?
James' toy.
James's toy. Can you show it, James? Go get the train.
Yeah. At the next video.
Oh, that's the next video, all right?
Yeah. We're
Go-
gonna upload this one first.
Go get it, James. No, it's in your room. Come on. Where are you
Wait.
going?
I'm gonna do something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Chainsaw.
Go get it, James. James. Nate, can you get it?
Oh yes.
James.
I think that.
Nate, can you get the train? So we're gonna show it to them. What we're gonna
Yeah,
unbox
what
next
kind
time.
of thing?
Remember the gift from
You
Atisar?
mean like the train?
Yeah.
Okay. Ow, my butt cheeks!
Don't show your crack, man.
This is James's toy.
Okay.
Oh wait, where's James?
I don't know. Come on.
Oh.
Show it to him. So we're gonna unbox that?
Yeah, we're gonna unbox.
Maybe in the next video?
Yeah, next video. Okay, so
This is James' toy. Okay, show
Yeah.
it to them.
I don't even know what's their names. Well, of course, this is James and Percy and
Hey! What's the matter?
Gordon. I guess, and Thomas is right here.
Okay.
Henry.
Harold.
Where's Harold?
That's just Harold on the helicopter there.
Oh, Harold.
Thomas and friends.
So
Take
This
that.
is Rebecca.
Rebecca. What's this one?
Includes
Emily.
10 friends.
This is
It says
Emily.
10 friends there.
This is
What's
Emily.
this? Oh, wait, okay, so Thomas, Percy, Vector, Kevin, Rebecca,
Mm-hmm.
Gordon, Emily, James,
Harold.
Harold. Okay, so how much? So Thomas is that one. I don't really know.
So we're gonna open that?
Yep.
On the next video.
Next video.
So what you gonna say to them?
Goodbye, and hit that notification bell, and subscribe, and like this video. Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye, James.